Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Then type cd space c colon slash and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c colon slash and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved. and you are good to go.